Hello everyone, Trader Avi from Trading, the YouTube channel focusing exclusively on binary option trading. Today I will show you a strategy based on the Parabolic SAR and RSI indicator. Before please and let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for all. I am trading at PocketOption. You can find the platform and link in the description as usual. Let's get to the strategy of the current video. I choose the Parabolic SAR indicator, and I also choose the RSI indicator. I go to the settings of the Parabolic SAR indicator, select only 2 pixels, then go to the RSI indicator, select period 7, select 2 pixels, and save. Now I go look for a good market that applies the conditions of indicators. Here is a good moment. I'm going to get trading lower. Let me explain. We look at the RSI indicator that it is in a downward trend and it touches the 30 line. This is a sign that the market is heading to the downside. But this is not enough to confirm that the market is in a downtrend, so we will go to the Parabolic SAR indicator. Here we have 3 points, and this is important. If the market turns, points begin to appear, and here the market turns into a bearish state. Here, with the help of indicators, we must see that when we are looking for a market, we must find that the market has begun to shift from up or down, and here the back will begin. These points will start when we have several rising or falling candles. We will get trades, so you must wait to get these opportunities. Not all points will confirm you. If the market is not falling or rising, if you see the candles are equal, leave the market, should stay away from it. Great, and now I'm looking for another good moment. Here we have a good moment. We look at the RSI indicator. It is between the 30 line and the 50 line. This is somewhat good because it is not below 30. And we look at the Parabolic SAR indicator. We have several points below the candles, and the market is trying to go back up because the points are below the candles. And also if we see the candles, we have strong retracement candles, and it has the tail of the market that will correct and go upwards. Great, and now I'm looking for another good moment. Here is a good moment. If we see the RSI indicator, we will see that the RSI line is heading upwards, and now it is at 50. And we have a candle with a long tail. We have a point from the Parabolic SAR indicator, and this also indicates that the market will go up strongly, so you should look for the good moment and not random trading. Great, and now I'm looking for another good moment. Here is a good moment. The RSI line is touching 30, which is a sign that the market will head down. We have a top and we have a candle with a tail, and if we see the Parabolic SAR indicator, we have 2 points, and this is the beginning of the market turning down. If we see here, we have several points when the market turned to the upside. Look at these points, how they multiply. We are looking for the beginning of the points only. Great, and now I'm looking for another good moment. Here is a good moment. We look at the RSI indicator below 50 heading towards 30 and the RSI indicator heading down. And we look at the Parabolic SAR indicator. It started with the appearance of points that the market will turn into a downward trend, as it was in the beginning, in the case of the rise, and we also have a top with a tail candle, which will be good trading. as we know that when we have the top of the market it will turn into a downward trend. These are the last trades for today. I'm really exhausted and looking for good moments, so we'll see what happens in these trades. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Great successful trading all of them, and today it is enough to trade. When you want to trade you should look for the good moments and the quiet market and not random. And if you want to train the strategies you can practice on the free account, you can register in the PocketOption platform, and on the demo account you will find the platform link in the description. I hope you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like.